न्यूज़ 22 के दर्शकों का स्वागत है। दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल गुरदासपुर का 12वीं का परिणाम शानदार रहा। स्कूल की स्टूडेंट नंदिनी और अभय महाजन ने 95.2% अंक प्राप्त कर पहला, अंकुशदीप ने 91.2% अंक प्राप्त कर दूसरा और पंखिला ने 89.8% अंक प्राप्त कर तीसरा स्थान प्राप्त किया। स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल ज्योत्सना लखावत ने स्टूडेंट और उनके पेरेंट्स को बधाई दी। देखिए न्यूज़ 22 की रिपोर्ट।
Nandini and I'm from DPS school. My father's name is Mr. Vinay Gupta and he's a financer. My mother's name is Mrs. Shivani Mahajan and she's a principal. I have got 5.2% in CBSE 12th in non-medical stream. I want to become an ITian and it's my dream. I want to thank my school, my parents for this. My mother has always empowered me to be financially independent, and I thank her for that. Thank you.
My name is Ankushdeep Kaur and I got 92% in CBSE in science stream. I want to become a doctor because it's my passion, and for this I would like to thank my parents, that God Almighty, and my DPS family and teachers who supported me every time so to achieve this.
And I got 90% in medical stream of +2, and I think it's good, and this credit goes to my teachers and my parents also, but I want to really thankful to my teachers and my parents and the principal of our school, which motivates me to do. And now I am going to give the test of NEET and I am going to become a doctor. Doctor is not my dream, it's my passion, and I want to become a doctor for my school, for my teachers who motivates me from back 6 years. And I only want to say that I want to become a doctor to dreams come true. So thank you.
Diksha. My father's name is Mr. Rajiv Kumar. He is a shopkeeper. I scored 75% in CBSE 12th boards. I want to become a doctor because it's my dream, and I would like to thank my family, my God, my DPS team for always supporting me and encouraging me.
It is indeed heartwarming to see the yet another exemplary result of CBSE board of Delhi Public School Gurdaspur this year in the batch of 2019-20. I would say that amidst the gloominess of the pandemic COVID-19, it has brought big smiles on the faces of our students, teachers, parents and all the stakeholders, because it has been consistently we have been giving good results for the last 4 years since the inception of our school in 2012. I congratulate all the stakeholders, all the parents and the students, all the team, the staff and the management for the results. With a class average of 80.6% and the toppers of our school scoring 95.2%, Abhay Mahajan, Nandini Mahajan, both of them are the toppers who have scored 95.2%, whereas Ankushdeep Kaur has scored 91.2% and Pankila scoring 89.8%, which is really praiseworthy. So I would like to say that we promise to keep up the good work, and all our students will bring even more laurels. We have found ourselves a place of pride in the school education in a very short span of 7 years. Thank you.